Did you recently have wisdom teeth surgery? They were impacted and they pulled your wisdom teeth out, and you're many months and in some cases years after that surgery, and you still have chronically tight muscles in the TM joint that you didn't have in your jaw cracks, and you have some unsteadiness or vestibular issues like vertigo, and cognitively you're just not right, and you feel tight at the base of the skull and have neck pain. Here's what happened. You had an underlying structural issue in there from something you did in the past that your body adapted to, and you didn't feel bad because it wasn't a big enough issue. And then you went under anesthesia, which paralyzes the muscles, and there's no protective mechanism in there. And then they have your mouth open in weird positions, sometimes with your head turned, and they're banging away and they're trying to get your wisdom teeth that are impacted in your jaw. And what happens is the joint that's weakened in there that your body is kind of adapted to and hasn't been an issue, all of a sudden dislodges and it gets locked. And when that happens, the muscles lock down and can produce a lot of the symptoms and more that I just described. So if you're someone dealing with these problems following dental surgery, most likely what happened is you have an upper cervical misalignment. And when in our office, we take 3D imaging to determine exactly how these two joints have shifted off the floor of the skull. And once we know how it's off, by looking at the 3D imaging, we make a precise correction to set the segment back in its normal range of motion. Once that joint that's locked is back in motion, the muscles through the spine will start to unwind, the central nervous system will start to function better. And these problems are often seen in our office. We've been in practice for 22 years, and we get 1 or 2 cases every month who developed issues following oromaxillary facial type surgery. So if you're in the Sarasota area, we offer a free consult and exam. If you're outside the Sarasota area, comment in the comment section below where you're at, and we'll find you someone in your locale.